When Zulfikar Ali Bhutto assumed power in December 1971, Pakistan was reeling from the fall of Dhaka and the loss of East Pakistan. The military had suffered a severe defeat, morale was low, and public trust was shaken. Bhutto took decisive steps to address these issues through a combination of investigation, restructuring, and modernization. One of his first actions was to order an investigation into the fall of Dhaka. This led to the formation of the Hamudur Rahman Commission, which examined the political and military causes of the 1971 defeat. Although the full findings were not made public at the time, the inquiry exposed weaknesses in both the political leadership and the military command, shaping future reforms. Bhutto also carried out the dismissal of the top military brass to reassert civilian authority. In March 1972, he removed Commander-in-Chief of the Army General Gul Hassan Khan and Air Chief Marshal Abdul Rahim Khan. These dismissals sent a strong message that the military would operate under civilian control, a critical shift after years of military involvement in politics. At the same time, Bhutto focused on military modernization and development. Recognizing the need for a strong defense, he initiated reforms to rebuild morale and capability. He reorganized the command structure, introduced merit-based promotions, and emphasized professional training. Bhutto also invested in domestic arms production, expanding facilities such as Heavy Industries Taxila and Pakistan Ordnance Factories. His defense policy encouraged self-reliance, reducing dependence on foreign suppliers.